Hello everybody, it's me, ProgramCuber17, and today we're going to be learning how to solve an Ivy cube. So first we're going to see how this cube moves. So all we have to do, the only way these can move is twisting corners, and as you twist the corners, the sensors connected to it will twist along with it. I thought this cube was really hard after I finally figured out how to solve it. It turned out to be actually a very, very simple cube. So now let's get to start solving this cube. First, I need a shuffled up cube. Okay, now I have a shuffled up cube, and now let's get to solving it. So our first step is to get two corners right here and here that are the same color. So there's already a white one, and there's a white one right here. So if I twist it like that, we'll get two white ones. So after we get the white ones, we want to insert the center piece right here. So that piece is right here. So we push it up so it gets into these 4 rows. And what we want to do is we want to line it up with one color. And because this one got pushed away, we bring this one down to put it back in split space. And we push this one up because it's matched. And now opposite of white is yellow. So on this side, we want to put our yellow corner. So our first step is to put in corners. So we twist these both and we get our corners. And then we want to put this center in. Same thing, we line it up, bring it down, put the normal piece back, and push it back up. And now we would look if we had any solved sides. We do have one solved side. Let's see what we have to do for this case. For this case, we have to look at something. So we have to look if there's a centerpiece here with the colors up here. So there's red and red. So we want to push this up. And then we turn the cube 180 degrees. So we turn it around in our hands. And then we see blue and blue. So we push that up. And then we want to undo the last two moves. So which was, because we pushed it up, we bring it down. And because we pushed this one up, we bring it down. And after we do that, we would have the whole cube solved. Now let's see what happens if we had 0 colored solved. Okay, if you had a case where none of the sides were solved after you solved white and yellow, what you would have to do is you have to do that same algorithm, push it up, bring down. You have to do that same algorithm. So one side, after you do it once, one side will get solved. After we do that, we line up. We see green and green, push it up. Turn the cube around. Orange, orange, push it up. Undo last 2 moves. And we would have this whole cube solved.